Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here we have spatial audio, but not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have it, maybe, and you cannot find this feature at your Apple device, at least at the settings. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!